if you're still breathing, there's still hope. No matter how lost you feel, no matter how heavy life is right now, just the fact that you're still here means you haven't given up, and that matters. It means the story isn't over. It means there's still time to rise, still time to change, still time to heal. This voice is for you, the one who's still standing after everything that tried to break you. You've survived the nights you thought you wouldn't. You've pushed through the days where everything felt meaningless. You've carried pain that others couldn't see. And still, you woke up today. That breath you just took, that's proof you're not done yet. There's a reason you're still breathing. There's a reason your heart is still beating. Hope isn't always loud. Sometimes it's a quiet whisper inside saying, try one more time. You don't have to have it all figured out. You don't have to be strong every second. You don't have to fake a smile when your soul is tired. But you do have to keep breathing. Because as long as you breathe, you have a chance to change everything. You're not stuck forever. You're not broken beyond repair. You're just human. And healing takes time. Hope isn't a destination. It's the decision to keep going. People may not see your struggle. They might not understand your pain, but that doesn't make your battle any less real. And it doesn't make your progress any less important. You are not weak for needing help. You are not a burden for feeling tired. You are not less for having moments of darkness. In fact, you are strong for breathing through it. You are brave for staying alive when your mind told you to quit. You are powerful for trying again. If you're hearing this, please take a moment to acknowledge your strength. You've carried silent battles. You've smiled through tears. You've helped others when you needed help yourself. You are not invisible. You are not forgotten. And you are not done. Let this voice remind you, every sunrise is a second chance. Every breath is another step forward. You're still here. And that means something. There were times you thought you wouldn't make it this far. But look at you, still breathing, still fighting, still standing. Maybe life didn't go how you planned. Maybe your heart's been broken more than once. Maybe your past is full of pain. But your future is still unwritten. And that means anything is possible. Don't give up on the person you're becoming. Don't quit on the life that's still waiting for you. You don't need everything to be perfect. You just need one reason to keep going. And sometimes that reason is as simple as, I'm still breathing. Your purpose might not be clear today, but that doesn't mean it won't be revealed tomorrow. Keep walking, even if it's slow. Keep breathing, even if it's heavy. Keep hoping, even if it hurts. You have more strength than you know, more power than you see, and more life ahead than you realize. There is hope in your story, hope in your struggle, hope in your survival. Don't let a dark season convince you it's the end. Don't let one bad chapter define the whole book. You are evolving. You are healing. You are growing. Yes, it takes time. Yes, it takes pain. But it's happening, moment by moment. And every breath you take is proof you're still in the fight. So breathe, right here, right now. Inhale strength. Exhale doubt. Let go of the lies that say you're not enough. Let go of the fear that says it's too late. It's not too late. Not for love. Not for peace. Not for healing. Not for you. If you're still breathing, there's still hope. Hope for a better tomorrow. Hope for a softer heart. Hope for a life that finally feels like yours. So don't give up. Don't walk away. Don't believe this is where it ends. You're still here. And that's more than enough to begin again.